Huh?
Time to work.
A few inches later.
What a trip it is! This is Gabelita. Welcome to my channel. I got something special for today's video for y'all today. Sit here. Wait. Where's I know, right? Let's go. What's the first? Godzilla X got the new Empire Kong with Havoc and Beast Club action figure. Let's take a look at the box art. Kong himself, Godzilla, ooh wee, legendary Toho and Playmates. Let's go side back. Ito ang kanyang art, fully articulated poster ball with the biomimic Heave. Kasi yun yung ginamit nila sa movie ng mga ano natin, human characters. Beast Club, ooh, take a look at that. Kasama sa line, see, of course, Godzilla himself, Zuko, and Titanus Doug, yeah. Of course, Car King and Shimo. Collect them all now. Ooh, look at this figure. Ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's cut him loose. Oh my god, Zilla. And here he is out of the packaging. Look at that. Oh, a quite hefty figure. Let's take a look at the front. He looks quite menacing. Back, look at the detail, the fur, the muscle, the ass. Like I said, medyo mabigat tong figure na to. Well, so kanya sculpting, the teeth, well, ayos din. Sa mata, yun yung ano dun, yung maganda dun yung mata eh. So, see, all good sa mata. Scar, yeah, yung paint sa scar from the previous movie. That's what he got in Godzilla. Okay. Di ko na ano to papatagalin. Let's do the articulation. Let's go, guys, let's go. First stop, ulo, left and right, ikot din, shoulders, up, down, ay shit, up and down. Di pa kita, sorry. Up, down, ikot. Okay. Dan din sa kabila. Elbow, single joint. Ito yung maganda dito. Wrist articulation. Wait. Dito nga lang, medyo wala nga lang galaw dito. Pero kasi may Beast Club siya. Kanyang tinututok ay joint. Ito yung maganda dito. Ito yung lumangas dito. Wait, what? Is it false alarm? Oh, come on now, guys. Bigat ang figure. Kala ko may waist pala. Anyways, thigh and a beautiful, not so bad split.
Great job.
Look, Jordan knees, and then sa kabila. Angas. So let's take a look the Beast Club. Okay. Align IA V2 VT 42. Straps, wala lang. Walang paint. Pero I can manage. Parang wala naman straps yung sa movie. Pero I'll do my best to paint this one. give it a life and realism. Ooh, natutuwa dito. Napakaangas. You can't reach the ground. Ano, pag ni-straight mo lang yan. Kaso nga lang, matugo siya. Very good. Very nice. Nice. Okay. Ito naman tayo sa kanyang accessories. Let's go. Ito lang naman yung kasama niya sa line na to. Oh! Okay! Fuck, nahulog pa. Anyways, ito kasama ang kanyang human chip. Wala naman masyadong details or some paint job man lang. Pero oh shit, sorry. What can I say? Po sila dito kaysa dito. Okay na. Nice. First comparison! This is Spin Master's Gorilla Grunt, Optimus Primal, Kung Fu Warrior Poe, Dark Commander, and General Blondie. Overall, this figure is amazing. And that's it for this one. Ooh wee, what a figure. Now, let's talk about the movie. Godzilla x Kong, The New Empire. Ooh wee, so many moments, so many awesome moments in this movie. So first off, Kong is surviving nasa Hollow Earth. Hinahabol siya ng wolves hanggang sa nakarating siya sa home base niya. Na-trap niya yung mga wolves. So, nakita mo si he's developing trap skills. Wow, nakapatay siya ng ilan, ay buhay pa, at wala siyang choice para takutin na lang, para umalis na yung iba kasi there are too many of them. Pinunit na lang isang body ng wolf ang puta. That's an eerie moment. At yun nga, sobrang tagal niya nang mag-isa sa Hollow Earth. Dating talaga sa punto na may mga magkakaroon ka ng toothache. I hate that moment. Karoon ako niyan at that moment sucks. But kaya ang savage ni Godzilla dito, although yung crab na yun making havoc in the city, and then suddenly Godzilla, and then biglang dumating si Godzilla at boom, salpukan, tapos siya binanatan niya, binato niya yung crab, and then atomic breath sa face, and then boom, exploded. Yucky moments para naman kay Godzilla. Bernie's back, the podcast guy from the previous one, and he's getting good at his job, his work, and he's getting a trip to Hollow Earth. Sana all. At dumako naman tayo sa subterranean realm. Doon naman na meet si Zuko and his friends. Then he got ambushed. A big boy got ambushed. And seeing na yung lahi ni Kong, na maraming apes pa rin na nabubuhay doon sa realm na yon. At getting their asses kicked by the big guy. It's an awesome moment for me. Oh shit, ang dami nila. Kong got ambushed, and then suddenly yun, patay niya ilan, yung isa tinulungan niya, and then suddenly bigla namang babackstabin, kaya tinuluyan niya. Tapos yung isa tatakas ka pa, boom, bigatan niya ng bato sa ulo at nakataas pa rin. Anyways, then Zuko is now his prisoner. At ngayon habang papunta naman sila do sa city or do sa kingdom ni Scar King. Oh shit. Papunta naman sila na may nadaanan silang lake, at akala siguro ni Zuko na ganun lang si Kong, may battle axe siya. Tapos doon lumabas yung sea serpent prank. Lucky. What a monster mash is this movie. Then taas si Zuko, biglang umano sa harap niya, part nung sea monster, and then kala mo poisonal ka. No, want some? Binigyan pa siya ni Kong. Napakabait ng pig. Back to kay Godzilla naman, yung moment na yung pinuntahan niya yung base ni Monster Tiamat, and then binanatan niya. Ang gagawin niya lang pala is mangagaw ng kwarto. Loko rin ito,
napakasiga ni Godzilla dito ngayon. Sa human character, si Trapper, napaka-angas ng character na ganun talaga na na-amaze ako sa mga ganung character kasi adventurous, cheerful character. Parang ako lang din. I'm a adventurous guy, cheerful guy. Everyone knows it. And Gia reuniting with her people is very awesome moment. And then seeing that discovering na parang ganun din yung moment na nalaman niya daw di siya others, welcome siya doon sa tribe na yun. At yun nga, nakapag-evolve na rin yung tribe niya. Kasi nga sa sobrang tagal na rin nila sa Hollow Earth, siguro na-develop yung powers nila. Which is, yeah, yun ang nangyari. Na-develop yung telepathic powers nila. At Gia is home, feels home. At ayun, nakarating na si Kong at Zuko sa kingdom ni Scar King. Seeing that kingdom, parang Dol Guldur ang Mordor ang dating tataas, may malaking skeleton na kaiju dun na bridge niya, ginawa nilang bridge. Kung buhay pa yung kaiju na yun, mas malaki damage siguro. Pero paano natalo, paano nangyari, mystery is unsolved. Damn, Scar King got some move. And then big fight happens and Scar King revealed na may alas pa siya. And Shimo came, icy breath, sinalag ni Kong, and then frostbite ang labas sabay takas, and then Trapper helps him. Ginawa niya yung parts ng Mecha Kong dapat daw na mangyayari, at doon niya na nakuha yung Power Glove, Peace Glove. Then punta naman siya sa Surface World para humingi ng tulong kay Godzilla. Goddamn, pag nagkita talaga yung dalawa, kala mo kala mo magkaaway talaga ng tunay sa bagay, si Godzilla naman is a protector of Surface World, at si Kong is a threat. He can do what Godzilla can do, although walang atomic breath. And yeah, it's a mighty beast, a kaiju that can bring havoc to the surface world, but Kong, it ain't that. Umigil pa, wait, tapos tinakin lang siya ni Godzilla, and then siya pa yung isa na ayaw makinig, binanatan niya sa mukha, and then dinag niya papunta doon sa portal, and then Godzilla turns and binuga niya na atomic breath, and then suplex moment pa nga tapos yun. And then dumating si Mothra. Ganun, sorry. Spoiler ba? Spoiler. Dahil dumating si Mothra, pinigilan yung dalawa at pinagkasundo, at yan, balik sa Hollow Earth, and then tag team match na, and then pumunta hanggang sa nakapunta na ng Surface World. Kong, naiwan niya yung axe, then Zuko came, dinala niya yung axe, and then yeah, Zuko saves the day and freed Shimo to Scar King, and Scar King is defeated. Yeah. Then after a long day fight, balik si Godzilla dun sa kanyang sleeping bed, which is dun sa Colosseum. And then Kong, bumalik naman siya sa kingdom ng mga apes, at in-announce siya na you're all free. Shimo became his friend, and Zuko became his very good assistant, and then nakita natin sa mukha ng ibang apes na freedom is here. That's it for this one, and I hope you like this video. Whew, what a day, what a movie, and what a figure it is. Balita ko may mga Titan class na damn, Scar King, wait, what? Kong and Godzilla? Oh, the hunt begins, bro. I'm gonna hunt them down. I'm gonna rate this figure a solid 4 out of 5. How about the movie? I'm gonna rate the movie 8 out of 10. Yes, sir. That's it. Like I said, that's it for this one, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, you guys.
If you like this video, leave a comment, like, share,
and subscribe for more. Because if you don't, I'm gonna whoop that ass so hard. Magiging kakulay ko yan. Ano bang hinihintay mo? Do it now!